Hey guys, so yesterday you had a problem where they gave you two equations, maybe something like this: negative 1x plus 3, y equals negative 1x minus 4. And it would ask you to basically figure out, graph them and see where they cross. And, if they cross, we call that consistent and independent, okay? So today you're going to graph both of these equations on a graph. And then you're going to see, do they cross? Are they on the same line, or are they parallel? Okay, so if they cross each other, that's going to be called consistent and independent. Okay, if they are on the same line, they're going to be consistent and dependent. And I'm sorry for not being able to write these all the way out. Okay, and if they don't cross, if they're parallel, they're going to be inconsistent. And you may want to go back and watch this video after you graph these out. Okay. Remember, graphing these out, my first one, okay, my y-intercept is 3, so I'm going to start here. Negative 1x, so I'm going to go down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1, okay? So there's my line. My other one is negative 4, okay? So I'm going to start, there's my y-intercept, negative 4. I'm going to go down 1 to the right 1. I'm going to go down 1 to the right 1, okay? And we can see that these aren't going to cross. They're actually going to be parallel to each other. So this one in this case would be inconsistent. Now, if there were two lines that crossed, they'd be consistent and independent. And if they were the same exact two lines, they'd be consistent and dependent. All right, so work through a couple of these. Try to read through if you get them wrong. And then come back and watch the video again if you need that. So remember, you're just graphing these two. Okay, if they cross each other, if your two lines cross each other, they're consistent and independent. If they're on the same line, they're consistent and dependent. If they do not cross and they're parallel like these, okay, then they are inconsistent. Your lesson for today is level J.AA.6. And you're going to go again just to a score of 60 because it's kind of repetitive. If you also have something like x equals 2 as one of your equations, like you would just draw a straight line going across at 2. I'm sorry, up and down at 2. That would be y equals 2. X equals 2, your x, okay, would be there. So try your best with this. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm available from 9 to 11. Send me the two equations. So send me the two equations if you're having a problem, and I'll send you a little video on how to do it. Hopefully I can help you out. Thanks.